So I'm on the internet, and when people are on like YouTube, they're kind of just like scrolling, looking at the random news or recommended videos and all that. I come across one of these. The classic underground water pool or underground swimming pool in underground house in forest. Like these have been all over the place, and they've been all over. Recommended people's like after years of being hiding, they come out recommended, and then like they're actually these like really cool structures and all that. But it's all the same video. It's all the same video, and it's like the same type of video, and I wanted to expose the truth behind these similar videos. We're just gonna jump into like one here. Let's just look at this and see like what's going on here as a baseline, just to understand like what's going on. Okay, so you got some dudes, at least two. They're both wearing the same kind of pants, and they find a location in the jungle for this, and then they use a tool that doesn't seem like a natural, or it looks like a natural tool. It doesn't look like and one of those. We're gonna speed this up a little bit. Okay, so they're carving out this like lime sandstone thing. Not limestone. I think limestone's pretty hard. Like sandstone. It's like sand, but it's like hard sand, like in Minecraft. I mean, I don't know. They're like digging out these holes, I'm assuming for water, location. So I'm assuming they're gonna go in it, right? Oh, just gonna eat some random ass berries in the middle of the forest real quick. All right, back to work, Jim. Okay, so this is one thing about these videos. They have this like naturally made like concrete. Like I mean, like what? It's bubbling. What? It is concrete. So it's like. So like, how do they make that? That's what I want to know. Like, how is that possible? Because the water that they're gonna put in there for their secret underground pool is, in their underground house, but mind you, is probably will erode away the walls. So they have this like concrete. Like obviously, like I don't know like the science about how like behind making concrete. Like if this makes sense, if you could theoretically do this, then yeah, I just don't think they have that material like in the natural, unless they're like in a location that's like designed for it. I get it. This is their paint. They don't have paint there, so they have to use green, and they mix it with water. This is the bamboo contraption. This is obviously, I think it'll show up in later installments of the series, but of this arc in particular. But they use this device to transfer water from a water source, aka the nearest river, into like look at that. There's the river, but see that's not flowing. It's not flowing. Oh, now it is. How do you have that much water going into it? That doesn't make any sense. That's a lot of water. That's like less than that was like a pond you were at before. Go to like a river and tuck that thing. I don't think scientifically you never actually see the full stretch of like the pipe going, or the pipe going from the water source to that. I don't trust it. They got these candles up in here. They're using it. Okay, so they're filling in the tub with the water. I'm curious what they'll do here. He just jumped in. So wait, where's the water going? That's not a pool. Is that it? Oh. Jesus, you're gonna get the camera wet. I guess that makes sense. So that you have to. There's water up there going in, and then you have to jump into the hole, to go into the secret underground thing here. But you have to go under this hole, through this tunnel to get to the inside area. So look at this here. You have this building $1 million water slide house and swimming pool, and building a billionaire swimming pool for jungle resident villa house, and then build the most beautiful billionaire swimming pool around Castle V, building the most mysterious deep hole underground series pool. It's mysterious. And you can subscribe for for more video. Here's all their links. But then I'm like, I'm looking over here at the recommended on the side here, and I'm just like, yeah, okay. The Jungle Survival, you know, they got Mark Rober and all that. It's like, oh, what's this? A primitive, unique tool. Oh, I'm gonna check this out. It's a different guy. He's got a little bit of intro, and right off the bat, I see something off. I see something very similar about this. Hey, let's go through it. This guy, he's wearing the same pants, and he has the same tool. There's only one guy though, but they're both in a similar jungle with similar sandstone. I'm just gonna call it sandstone, don't quote me, but similar sandstone, similar type name, and how to build the most modern underground swimming pool with underground house. Well, the grammar's out the window by far. It's been gone for a long time. So this is tagged to be in the look at this. It's tagged to be in the United States. Now, based off my knowledge, I don't think anywhere in the United States has a place quite like this. You might have somewhere that's like a jungle rainforest type thing. Like, by all means, it's possible. I think there is some. But I don't... This kind of like really barren stuff, I'm more thinking this is either like the Amazon or Africa. But what is he doing here? Wait, hold... He's just cutting out the grass. He's just cutting out the grass. Wait, he's putting it on the stairs. I think, doesn't, you know, when you cut grass, you just killed it? I'm sure it'll be green for a while, but... And yeah, I guess it is in some dirt, but the dirt isn't going anywhere. That pot. No. That's a very... That in the tool. That is literally the same pot that the other guy had. Could it be that they're all the same guy? No. See, that's the thing. Like, they're actually not the same dude. You don't see any women ever. Like, look at this BS. You think I could build this in the backyard of my house? No, I don't have limestone as my, of what, 100 feet deep, not 100 feet, but, you know, at that amount of deep structure. And I also don't have, you know, natural concrete that I can just go mix up real quick from my nearby running river that I have natural bamboo with, and my grass that I just placed here and I perfectly cut out, knowing that would go there, and also have places for candles and carve this. Here, let's read the description. Dear all beloved guys. Great. Have great to hear this new from us, Brave Wilderness Life. This video want to show you how live the real wilderness life to lives for and builds the old ancient. Is all I have to do is name the title after this? Build the greatness, the most amazing water underground billionaire house with water pool, swimming,